Streamline finance operations with Microsoft Copilot for Finance Demo. Hi. Thank you for joining me. I am the Finance Director at nocsupport.com. My company needs to make business decisions based on accurate and fast-delivered financial data. Hence, I wear many hats, from preparing and analyzing cash flow to following up on large customer payments and accounts. What you see here is by F-Report cash flow. As the industry saying goes, cash flow is the lifeblood of an organization and its show. If more money is leaving, the company didn't receive. Our business was struggling. Our December actions just came in, and as part of the closing the months, as with every month, there will be differences between what we thought we would receive and pay to what the actuaries are. I need to prepare analysis to identify what contributed to the difference between our expected cash flow and the actual cash flow. In the past, revving variances could take days, browsing for multiple systems and data sources, trying to find explanations. Days may seem to make business decisions based on accurate financial data, like, do we have enough cash to invest into a product line? This is where aka Finance comes to the rescue, helping me save value time by getting me to insights in a matter of minutes. aka Finance is very versed in what finance professionals care about. It is context on which data sets from financial systems and tables to collect and analyze from. I can identify additional data sources such as detailed transaction reports in other Excel files to supplement analysis. This is the data that I would go through manually in the past, but not anymore. Could be able to synthesize this information and provide the relevant insights. Next, I will type in what I'm looking for. In this case, December forecast. It varies from actual, but more than 10%. You can see it presents a concise summary right within my Excel spreadsheet, highlighting the variances based on my criteria for fair review. If you show me the data sources these insights are based on, and I can see more details. Let's look at the incoming customer payments. Seems custom payments have declined by approximately 10%. I can add my own comments or update existing ones, which will be included in a report out to key stakeholders. Digital, deeper, I can break down the analysis by custom. I see this fabric come as the source of our deeping payments, and I want to share this results with the account team for quick follow-up. Once again, I would use Coparent to edit a summary, visualize analysis, and share the insights with the team with a single click. Now this was simple. So far you have seen how Purple helps me to quickly identify and understand any differences between what was planned and has actually happened. However, to close our books, I need to mitigate those differences by collecting the payments. Historically, our finance department has lost critical time struggling with back-and-forth communications, trying to reconcile our payment view with the customers so we can resolve any differences. Now with Cooper for Finance, I have a purpose-built system to help me collect outstanding payments faster and keep revenue growing. Now directly from Outlook, Cooper provides me with context to reach out to the customer, eliminating the time spent trying to log into other financial systems and getting up to speed on the latest interactions. I have been corresponding with Jane, who is the account manager for Fabrica. I replied to her, and Cooper suggests I remind Jane of the overdue balance with all the relevant context and information provided by company's financial records in an instant. Cooper has done all the work for me and tracked that email and I had sent due to the urgency chains. Click to respond, and she tells me there are no payments missing based on her records and attaches the invoices she received from Roth traders. We run into another common time-consuming process: data reconstitution. Here goes by evening, again, looking at hundreds of invoices to identify the issue, while my family needs team without me. But it is important. Our business needs the payments from our customers on time to keep a positive cash flow. Luckily, corporate cut through this work for me in an instant with ease. Cobra can help me compare FabricCamp's Excel data with the invoices. Invoice the trader's financial system to figure out any discrete answers between the two. Let's use this prompt to get open invoices for FabricCamp from North Trader's financial system. As you can see, this created an additional tab in MedExcel and provides our view of the Fabricant invoices. Cooper of Finance guides me through the process, such as the intelligent data mapping to get me to insights quicker. I confirm the sources and inputs incorporated dust arrest, and here you have it coded. Generates a lease report in moments. It shows me exactly which invoice and amounts are missing in Fabricant financial records. What used to require manual time working through hundreds of invoices coded, helped me to identify more than $500,000 in house payments. We can see the missing invoice in the Fabricant list of invoices and copying it with this information. Let's use the code by Craft. That email responds complete with relevant documents. Akan paid the missing amount of cash flow increased, and we can continue investing into our business. Today, you saw Cooper of Finance connect the existing financial systems like ERP data directly between Microsoft productivity apps like Excel. I love Excel. I'm a finance person. Without co-product of finance, I can stay in Excel, Outlook, and move from product to solution. Analyze variances in minutes, not hours, because I data in few easy clicks. Not nowadays, and follow up to increase cash flow without needing to switch between applications. Cooperative finance helps me to spend less time on repetitive, tedious tasks and allows me to spend more time to provide financial insights to make Northwind traders even more successful. Thank you for watching us.